Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming what installed Jupyter, pip, conda, or the Windows Store, because the uninstall command differs. Once done, close notebooks and stop any running kernels. Leave processes running and files stay locked. Open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt to ensure permissions for package removal and service cleanup. You will run the first removal commands now, so make sure you know whether pip is tied to a system Python or a virtual environment. You run pip uninstall or conda remove based on your environment. This deletes the core packages and extensions. If using pip, include Jupyter Lab and Jupyter Console to avoid leftovers. For conda, specify the environment name to target the right installation. After package removal, remove user configuration folders under app data and user profile to clear settings and kernel specs. Just be cautious, because that deletes custom kernels and saved settings. You finish by checking for Windows Store AppX installs and remove them through Settings or Remove Apps package in PowerShell. This tackles store distributed Jupyter. Next, inspect your path and delete leftover Jupyter, exe or git bash scripts so the command no longer resolves. Once removed, restart your machine to clear locked files and background services. If something breaks, one key troubleshooting tip: reinstall the same distribution, pip or conda. Run the uninstall again, and inspect Jupyter paths to find stubborn files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.